Brownies are usually loaded with sugar, butter, and eggs, but with this recipe, we're changing the game. This brownie is not only gluten-free, dairy-free, and egg-free, but is also packed with protein, fiber, and its secret ingredient is a vegetable. With only 187 calories, but with a whopping 8 grams of protein and 11 grams of fiber, you'll get a perfect filling snack for fat loss, muscle gain, or your overall health. And of course, like every single recipe on this channel, it's 100% vegan. To a blender, add your favorite plant milk. We use unsweetened almond milk and add a shot of espresso. Trust us in this one. Now add your raw red beetroots, roughly cut into chunks, and blend until the consistency turns into this rough red paste. Also, don't forget to start preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Did you know that beetroots are a great source of antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties? Now, add sunflower oil or any other oil of your choice and blend until smooth. To a mixing bowl, add the beetroot mixture. Look at that vibrant red color. Now, add the oatmeal flour, which are normal rolled oats ground into flour in a food processor. Next up is our star player, which is our very own Supreme Vegan Protein Powder in the flavor tiramisu, which is a rich blend of cacao and Arabica coffee. Now add melted dark chocolate. We used a 70% dark chocolate. Roughly mix, and now add the baking powder and a little bit of salt. Trust us, this will pull out all the flavors even more. Now add apple cider vinegar and mix. To make this brownie sweet without adding white sugar, we're adding an all-natural blend of a 0-calorie sweetener, which are erythritol and stevia. This will add sweetness without having to add extra calories because we're also adding date syrup. By the way, you can substitute date syrup with maple syrup or any other syrup of your liking. Mix everything together. Look at this beautiful mixture. I have to confess, I had a bite of this mix and even without baking it, it tasted absolutely divine. Now add the flax seeds. There's a gum in the seed coating that becomes thick and gelatinous when the seeds are ground and come in contact with water. This can bind ingredients together, and that is why it's such a great egg substitute for baking. Line a baking tin with baking paper or grease it well. Now, pour the mixture into the prepared baking tin and place it in a preheated oven and bake for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. These healthier and delicious red velvet brownies are a great snack for those who want to enjoy a sweet treat while keeping it healthy. If you're meal prepping these brownies, make sure to store them in a sealed container in the fridge. These brownies are best if you eat them within 3 to 4 days. This brownie turned out so good, and all you need to do now is cut this brownie in 10 equal pieces. Look at my flipping skills right here. And did you know high-protein baking is a great way to make your treats healthier, as protein is crucial to support our muscle and can help manage cravings? On top of that, one slice of this brownie is jam-packed with 11 grams of fiber. Fiber is such a crucial component of a healthy diet because our gut loves fiber. A great serving tip is to pair them with a scoop of your favorite plant yogurt or ice cream. And there you have it, a sweet, seductive red treat that is also good for you. We hope you give this recipe a try and let us know in the comments how it turns out. But if you're looking for another meal preppable healthy snack that is 100% vegan and contains protein, then click on the screen so we can teach you how to make these low-calorie vegan banana protein muffins. See you in the next one!